Another professional development. Baby boy, I feel like I'm already developed. I'm ready. Now, I don't know why they don't ask me to just lead these meetings. Do I get any brownie points for being the first one here at the staff meeting? You get your paycheck. That's your brownie point. Okay. Now just come to my class if y'all want to see some good teaching. Alright, so welcome to yet another wonderful staff meeting. Now, I've already shared with you guys how to set up your classrooms from guided reading, and I also showed you exactly what to do with your children before reading a level text. So today we're going to discuss how to teach guided reading with 3 during reading strategies. This is while kids are actually reading their leveled book. So basically what we do while the kids are reading during small group instruction. Yes, that's what I just said. Hey fun people! Welcome to Everything Asha. My name is Asha, and as a curriculum specialist, I have seen so many teachers stop children during reading and start asking them all sorts of comprehension questions. Now, if you do that with your children, let me know down below in the comments that today is the last day you are going to do that. It is important to remember exactly what is the goal of guided reading. Hint, hint. Guided. Remember that the goal of guided reading is to simply equip children with reading strategies that they will need to implement when they're reading by themselves. So some of these reading strategies can either be decodable or comprehension strategies. See, in my class, I teach the decodable strategies to my EIP students, and I teach the comprehension strategies to my on and above level students. Now that's a great way to teach both, Miss Lucius. However, remember that there are some students that actually need both. Decodable strategies to tackle those difficult words, and comprehension strategies in order to understand the meaning of the text. Yes, I do that too. I do that too. Of course you do, Miss Lucius. It's Mrs. Lucius. Mrs. Lucius. Excuse me, Mrs. Lucius. However, Mrs. Lucius, that is a great segue to our 3 things that you should be doing while kids are actually reading. I can't wait to implement these wonderful reading tips. Shoot, I just can't wait to go home. I got a date after this. So the first thing you want children to do is to whisper read. The old way of doing popcorn reading is out. Throw it away! What you want children to be doing while they're reading level text in the middle of guided reading is actually whisper reading. Unlike some of you guys right now in the staff meeting, I can hear you. I can hear you. Yeah, I'm talking. So while children are actually whisper reading their text, you will simply be going to each child and guiding them through how to use their different reading strategies. So if a child comes across an unknown word, you want to 1, teach them which strategy they need to use, and 2, show them how to use that strategy in order to decode that word. Lots and lots of notes. Now the second thing you want to be doing during guided reading is helping the kids with vocabulary. So you can do this by simply using a sticky note. Give every single child their own sticky note, and as they come across unknown words, they will simply write down the word and write down the page number in which they found that word, so that at the end you can go back over that sticky note and help them figure out the meaning of that word. Now if a child comes across an unknown word while you're listening to them, then you need to stop and help them go through their comprehension reading strategies in order to figure out the meaning of that word. So you can name this the unknown word sticky note list. That's a long name, you guys. Yeah, I know. I made it up. I'm running out of paper. Like I said, y'all could just come to my class if you wanted to see all this. She's too old for all that. Now the third thing you want to do while children are reading is to take anecdotal notes. This is how you get kids moving from level to level, is you're paying attention, helping them use their strategies, guiding them along their way in order for them to learn how to do these strategies independently so that they can continue to move up. So what you will do is be taking anecdotal notes. Which strategies are they actually struggling with implementing? Which words are they actually struggling with saying? And then what you'll start to realize is there will be a pattern. You'll start to see, this child actually misses every CVC word. Thus, this becoming a horrible reading habit. So now you'll know the reading habit that you actually need to target in order to get that child to the next level. Write down all the student mistakes you see. Ms. McNair, where can we find the decodable reading strategies? Great question, Miss Young. Down below in the description, you will see a link to my decodable reading strategies. You can download the decodable reading strategies, the I can reading strategies that go hand in hand. You'll also be given some brag tags that go right along with these reading strategies. So as kids start to master these strategies, they can go ahead and brag to their friends and family. You'll even be given a data tracking sheet. This way, you can keep up with all your students and exactly which reading strategies they're starting to master. I'm grabbing my reading strategies right now, Miss McNair. So you guys, that link is down below in the description, so make sure that you grab your decodable reading strategies because we have a lot of work to do. And also, if you missed part 1 and part 2 of this guided reading series, then make sure you check out those videos right here where I show you exactly how to set up your room for guided reading and what to do before you even read the book. See you in those videos.